Secretary, kahapon, in relation pa rin doon sa cabinet meeting, mukhang napag-usapan yung problema sa traffic. Can you share with us kung ano yung naging direktiba ni Pangulong Marcos? Since matindi rin naman ang tama sa ekonomiya ng traffic and base doon sa mga nakarang pag-aaral, umaabot sa 3.5 billion per day yung nawawala sa ekonomiya ng traffic. Anong directive ni Pangulo dito?
Yeah, well, yeah. So we had a very long discussion on the traffic issue, and the president gave instruction to everyone to submit their recommendations, how their respective offices will adjust and configure their work environment. But what the president really wants is a comprehensive, holistic approach to solving the traffic problem. Hindi yung piecemeal approach, no, as has been the case all these years. No? So, for example, in the planning of our transport system, we should be looking at intermodal transport system and see how they operate efficiently as a whole. We are building now the subway. We are building other expressways, bridges connecting Bataan and Cavite, and so on. But this have to be seen in the context of all the other transport systems, including bike lanes, motorcycle lanes like that, and as well as the feeder roads, and including the location of industries, residences, and so on. So the whole system it cannot be just seen as on a piecemeal basis. Kasi kung may choke point in one, it affects the whole system. That's why we have to really look at it as a system, and that's the direction of the president.